Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to manage Amazon Kindle devices using your mobile device. Managing Amazon Kindle device from your mobile device is primarily done through the Amazon mobile app. First of all, tap open the Amazon application on your mobile device and sign in to your account. From the main homepage of Amazon, tap on the human icon which will be located at the bottom of the screen. After you do that, tap on Your Account option. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the Devices tab and tap on the Kindle device option on the next page. You will then be able to see your Kindle devices that is registered with Amazon. On the page, there will be several options that allows you to deregister your device, or from the More Action drop-down, you can go ahead and set this device as a default device or view your device's content from the menu. You will also be able to view and edit your device's information such as the device's name, email address, and so on. So that is how you will be able to manage your Amazon Kindle device using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.